Welcome to our sports and entertainment guide. Here is Matthew speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 14FT trampoline for kids with safety enclosure net, basketball hoop and ladder, easy assembly round outdoor recreational trampoline. Active and interesting, bring a brand new way of entertaining to your energetic and tireless children. Let safe jumping exercise improve kids' coordination, balance, and cardiovascular health. Our trampoline is equipped with a seamless, fully enclosed safety net, which is an excellent choice for your exclusive amusement park in your backyard. Safety first. When it comes to children, parents always pay their most attention to confirm the safety issues. This trampoline consists of 72 sturdy and flexible springs, combined with a high elastic, tough jumping mat, which can ensure the stability of each bounce. We use a redundant spring configuration to ensure a soft impact and avoid excessive tension on the feet and joints, so as not to make the child feel uncomfortable. Superior bounce. This frame was by rust-resistant and thick spring that provide premium elasticity and non-deformation, promising a long-time use. The jumping mat made of PP material with premium elasticity back property, allowing kids to jump higher and merrier. Careful care. This trampoline is equipped with a full-size safety cover pad and is fixed by high-quality elastic bands to protect your children from any potential injuries while playing. The sturdy two-step ladder provides straight navigation on and off the trampoline. The round design of the overall edge aimed to fully protect children from scratches and squeezing. Easy setup, easy installation with step-by-step instructions. This set comes in 3 boxes and packages may arrive at different times. Our 14FT trampoline assembled dimensions, 14x10.8 feet. About Sports and Entertainment Guide Channel. Dana's is a professional store for fitness and sports family healthcare products, which includes elliptical trainers, exercise bikes, inversion, equipment, rowers, step machine, trampolines, treadmills, vibration platforms, fishing kayaks, weight bench, water sports weight rack, exercise equipment, sought after by consumers, cost-effective products, and localized delivery services. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Dana's can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via nancyjchristensen@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.